All right. So before we dive in, let's discuss briefly on how to use the module and how to use the lessons. The first thing I would say is budget for time. So the lessons are made in blocks of 15 to 20 minutes you need. So try to find time in your agenda, I don't know, over breakfast or before breakfast or when you have a quiet moment planned in the day, blocks of 15 minutes where you can be focused and spend 15 to 20 minutes on what we're trying to do together. Secondly, process the knowledge. Don't try to do two or three lessons one after the other. Give yourself time to let things sink in and basically start thinking what you could apply in your business on all of these topics. And then every lesson has an exercise, which are the blueprints we share or some tools. I strongly recommend you take your time to do these, and if possible, even do it with some of your staff members or influencers or people that you really share business issues with, because that will start the process, the transformation process of your business right at that second. And then make these tools your own. I mean, these are tools that I've been using, others have been using, but we all kind of made some tweaks. We tuned them so that they fit our way of working and our business. So try to give them a place in how you run and how you grow the business. And once you've done that, you're all ready to start with the module. Let's go.